In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tree map in Tableau. So in R, I have created a tree map, the first tree map using a dataset Asia. I've got this dataset by using a filter in the original dataset GNI, and this is the command that I used earlier. And I have used area is equal to gross national income, field equals population, label equals to country. So let's look at this tree map in Tableau. So let's open the Tableau. Now let's open the data set first. Here's the data set. Then let's open that. And here we have all the headers of the data set with the data types. Let's open the sheet one or workspace. And the Tableau has automatically assigned the dimension and measures for each variables. Now let's make it a little bit smaller so that we can compare with the map, tree map that we have done in RStudio. So here's the tree map that we have done in RStudio, and now we're gonna create the same tree map in Tableau. So first, looking at the data set, it is Asia, so we are only selecting the countries that falls under Asia. So the first thing we need to do is drag the continent dimension to filter, and it gives us these options. And since we are selecting only countries from Asia, then check the Asia, then OK. Next step is to drag GNI to row shelf and population to column shelf. Let me drag this window a little bit further away. So as you can see, there is only one plot, and we are trying to draw a tree map. So let's click the show me options. So what it does is you can choose the different type of graphs from here, but as of right now the tree map graph is not enabled. The only thing enabled is a bar chart and then a scatter plot. So for the tree map, if you look at it on the bottom here, when I point to the tree map, you can see that you need one or more dimensions and one or two measures. We will now drag country to the column shelf, and now you can see it's a different graph, but we wanted a tree map, so we're going to click a tree map on the right, and this is the exactly same chart which we have done in R. As you can see, the good thing about Tableau is when you point it out, it also gives the information like the country, GNI, and population. Whereas in R, you probably have to. You can also. It's possible to do it, but you have to know the codes to get that display or the results. Also, here the population bar is shown. Let me take this show me off over here. So this is a simple example of how to do a tree map, and on my next video I will show you how to do more, the one that we have done in R on the bottom.